Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are solving a very simple but essential problem. The problem is to find the sum of all elements in array. Here the task is to take an array and calculate the total sum of all its elements using a loop. Here let's look into the sample inputs. The sample inputs 1 has given with element 4, 7, 1, 3, 9 and the output has given 24. Similarly, the input 2 has given 3, 5, 2, 1, 0 and the output has given 11. Now we'll go for a brute force idea to solve this problem. So the idea is here, we'll calculate the sum of the array by iterating through each element one by one and we'll add it to a variable that will store the total. And I've given some steps to follow this brute force idea. The steps 1 is given. First we initialize a variable total equal to 0 and after that we'll use a for loop to iterate all the element, and after that it will be iterate each of the element and it will add to a sum total. Now after the loop it will return or print the total. Here I have written the code in Python language. You can write your code in your preferred language as well. So what I'm doing here is, first I'm defining the function sum of array here, and after that I'm covering the edge case. What if the array is empty? To avoid any error, I'm covering this edge case here. And very first we initialize a total equal to 0. Right? So this will store the running sum of all the element in array. And here I've used for loop for L equal to array to iterate through each of the element in the array. This ELE will take each value one by one from array. Here I have given total plus equal to ELE. It means it will keep adding to the total, and this is the same as total equal to total plus ELE, right? And at the final, after the loop end, we return the final sum total in total. Okay. So in this code, I've provided the time and space complexity. Like time complexity, I've taken big of n because it is iterating n times, because I've given n of the element size, we're iterating each of the elements, so I've given n times, so it is taking time of big of n. And here I'm not taking any extra space, it is constant, so I've taken a space complexity as big of 1. Here we'll do a quick dry run for this example. So example is given with the element of 4, 7, 1, 3, 9. Okay, and we have taken initialize total equal to 0. So now we have to check the for loop. It will iterate each of the element and it will be save the sum into total. Okay, so we'll look we'll check the for loop and iterate each of the element and we'll save total as an output here. So very first total equal to 0 as this is initialize. Now it will be added to the very first element, that is 4, and it will add with the 0. So here you can see it is added 0 plus 4 and the output we have taken is 4. Now it added it again and went to the second element, that is 7, and it added with the total sum. What the total we have taken here, it's added with the next element and we got the total sum equal to 11. Again it is total 11 is saved into the total here, and again it will be add with the next element, that is 1. And after adding it is, we get the total is a 12. Now this total equal to 12 save into this total. Okay, now this total will add with the next element, that is 3, and we got the total sum equal to 15 here. Now again the 15 save into this total, and again this added to the next element, that is 9, and it will add with the total, and after this adding this total we got the 24, and After that, we don't have any elements, so the loop will be and it will be give the total sum equal to 24. Okay, so I hope you understand this code plus the dry run. And one more time, we'll check this code in lead code, and we'll check if you're getting the expected output or not. So let's go into lead code. Here I'll write the code again. So let's start. First, we'll define the sum of element. Now I'll cover the edge case here. If not edge, then return none. Now we'll initialize the total here equal to 0. We'll iterate the loop using for loop for in error. I have to give a space here. Error. Now we'll add each of the element in total. So total plus equal to ELE. Okay. This is similarly as I said, total equal to total plus ELE. Now we'll return the total. We have to take care of the indentation also. Sorry. Return total. Let's check for this example whether we're getting expected out or not. So we're expecting the expected output is 4 plus 7, it is 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 9, you can say it is 21, and plus 3, it is 24. Let's see. Yes, you got the expected output as 24. So we can check with other input as well. Let's modify this input and check. I'll modify this with 7. Now let's check. Yes, so now the total sum is 28. Final recap plus the call to action is today we have solved a basic but important DSA problem, that is finding the sum of all elements in an array. We started with a simple brute force approach using a loop. Then we walked through the logic step by step, and we did a dry run to understand how the values change during the execution. Keep practice the problem I have given last videos plus these videos to get compatible with arrays. At the end, if this made sense, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, that is MakeEasyCode, for more easy DSA videos. And our next video will be find the total summary in array. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.